One of the things I love most about gardening is I can use so many household items and scraps to make my garden shine. Gardens thrive off the items we may otherwise be inclined to throw away, making them even more frugal and affordable to enjoy. Orange peels are no exception when it comes to household scraps you can use in your garden. Today, friends, we take a look at 6 creative ways to use orange peels in your garden and you might never throw a peel away again. Friends, here are some creative ways to use orange peels to get you started. The first one is make your own biting bug and insect repellent. If mosquitoes and other biting bugs are an issue, orange peels can help. You can place orange peels around the garden while you work to keep these insects away, or just try rubbing on orange peel on your clothing. Some of the pests that orange peel can help repel include aphids, slugs, mosquitoes, and biting flies. If you are feeling fancy, fill a mason jar with orange peels and water. Add a floating votive. As the water gently hits, the orange peel oils will give off a scent that repels biting pests. This is a pretty and practical way to decorate your picnic table and portico. And the second idea is add some acidity to your soil. Some plants thrive off of acidic soil. If you are planting a perennial that needs acidity in the soil, orange peels may be able to help. You can always add some shredded orange peels into the whole prior to planting. Friends, some flowers needs acidic soil, so you can spray this orange citrus fertilizer for enormous growth. Like roses likes citrus or acidic soil, so you can just spray it on your roses, hibiscus. It will be helpful to get more flower. And the third use is keep aphids at bay. Aphids may be tiny, but they can destroy your plants in no time. Orange peels can help keep aphids away and protect your plants when you use them in a natural pest repelling spray. Just add the peels to a spray bottle and fill with hot water. Shake well, then allow the mixture to cool thoroughly. You can then spray the mixture wherever aphids are present. It is safe on plants and a more natural chemical free way to repel bugs. And the fourth use is make your own budget friendly fertilizer. Did you know that orange peels are chock full of nitrogen? Nitrogen is essential to good fertilizer. When your soil needs a boost, you can add in ground up orange peels. The peels will release the nitrogen, and the result is nutrient rich soil your plants will love. And the fifth use of orange peel is keep furry creatures out of your garden. Did you know that dogs and cats dislike the smell of citrus? They sure do. If you have problem with furry creatures coming into your garden, citrus peels can help. Place orange peels around the perimeter of the garden, and the scent should keep dogs and cats from wandering in. You can even try placing orange peels in areas where animals tend to dig, as the scent may be enough to discourage them from the act. Hence, the last but not the least step we can take about orange peel, give your compost pile a boost. Compost is one of the easiest and cheapest way to keep your plants nourished. Start saving your kitchen scraps such as eggshells, orange peels, vegetable peels, and even junk mail, so you can shred them and add them to your compost pile. Friends, many videos are available at my channel about how to make compost, homemade compost, how to use our kitchen waste. So you can go through these videos. The link I'll give you below the description. These kitchen scraps contain nutrients that will blend together and break down into what gardeners call black gold soil, a nutritious soil that will give your plants a tremendous boost. So, friends, there you have it, 6 creative ways to use orange peels in your garden. As you can see, all of these ways to use orange peels are quite simple and can be quite effective. Using orange peels in your garden can save your money, time, and trips to the gardening center as well. So, the next time you treat yourself to an orange, don't toss those peels. Save them baggy so you can give one or all of these gardening tricks a try. Friends, there are a lot of benefits to using orange peels in the garden. They are non toxic and renewable as well as being a waste product. They add nutrients to the soil and keep pests away. Friends, I will give you a bonus tricks about orange peel. When composting citrus, you want to make sure to keep the pile warm to hot. If you are using orange organic citrus, it's possible that you can end up with moldy fruit, and this mold will likely be in the Penicillium family, from whence the antibiotic penicillin originated. You want lots of healthy biotics in the compost pile and not antibiotics, as this will cause some of the life forms to die off. Penicillium does not like warmth, so keep it hot by adding plenty of carbon, and then high nitrogen items like chicken manure, animal manure, and coffee grounds. As an added bonus, citrus peels also protects compost from scavengers and some pests, as many of them dislike them smell. If you are doing vermiculture and have a worm bin, you definitely do not to throw citrus in there, as it harms the red regulars. Orange peels contain a chemical called D-limon, which is an all natural insecticide. It damages the nervous system of pests such as aphids and ants, kill them. You can place peels around plants that have pest problem, or you can make a spray. Make your own spray by boiling a half a cup of peels in water or for 10 minutes, then straining out the peels. Add this liquid to a spray bottle and spray your plants once a week or around the garden to repel ants. You won't have to worry about causing any damage to the plants themselves. D-limon is used as the active ingredient in many environmentally friendly bug sprays. Friends, these waste peels are very useful for our gardening, so use them for keeping out cats and dogs, for removing ants and aphids to your plants. Orange peels and other citrus peels are high in nitrogen, sulfur, magnesium, calcium, and other nutrients, and can give your leafy plants a quick boost. Friends, if you like this information, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more information